Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to single turbo your Supra in only 5 minutes. Got my helper Diego over here today. Okay, so I've already done it, but because I wanted to make sure it worked, and yes, it does work. So pretty much, it has to be stock twin turbo setup. And pretty much there's gonna be 2 vacuum lines. These are just capped off, but the left vacuum line is gonna go from here to the actuator, and then the right vacuum line right here is gonna go to here. But pretty much you cap both of these off, and then you just go from here directly to the actuator. And then for up front, there's usually a pressure line that goes from this little left side to this upper piece, but instead you reroute this upper hose to the actuator itself, which is right there. Yeah, that piece right there. And then you pretty much just route this hose directly to the hose right next to, or the piece right next to it, and it closes the system. That's how you single turbo your Supra in literally 5 minutes. Like, it's ridiculous. But to pretty much get the car in that position, you have to hit boost, and it'll like break itself in, because once you hit boost, it'll kind of build itself up, and it hits about 4,000 RPMs, and then it's not like you're making more power, but it definitely feels like it, because it all just hits you at once instead of the sequential setup. But it's definitely lots of fun. It changes your it definitely changes your exhaust note. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Definitely more content to come. This car is getting a brand new makeover. It's getting dropped off for paint very soon, and getting rid of this ugly body kit finally. So stay tuned.